everyone, this is John of Art and we are here at a quarry in Maao next to where Pasit lives. So this is a glimpse of her lifestyle with her children and grandchildren. We are going to a bath in one of the rivers. So it's Suba and there's a waterfall, a mini waterfall there, which is what they call Busay in Ilonggo. More Ilonggo words as we follow them. So follow me and let's join them in this adventure. That's Joy Joy over there. Hello Joy. Ti, mano tani? Mano tani, sige be, matabok kita. So this is the path, a natural stone bridge going to there. So look at how big the stones are. All right, that's not a stone, that's a boulder. So how do I cross this one with one hand on the video camera? So that's not easy to do for my balancing trick, so I better turn off my camera for now. This is it. We've arrived at the mini waterfall. So farther up there, according to Joy, there's still a more beautiful waterfall. But this is their playground. That's Pasit and her grandchildren. Okay, this is where they swim, frolic, and have a nice weekend socializing. Sige be, sige be, sige. Alright, dive, lumpat, jump. Okay, ilangoy-langoy sila, so that's how they have fun. Di nang dalom, git. Di nang dalom. Di ang pinakadalom. Ha? Di ba? Amo na, di? Ang pinakadalom? Matungkad, hindi? Wow. Di nang matungkad lang? Ah, okay. Dira lang eh. Woo! Wow. So they just go with the flow of the current to there. Wow! Oh my goodness, these are daring children. Wala hadlok. Fearless. There's a dog. May ido. Okay, look at them. Look at these children. Oh, wala hadlok ah. Ay, oo, dito lang gali. Oh, kanami, oh. Nice. Dira lang gali, oh. Now we are near the mini waterfall and look at these very daring children. Oh my goodness. Hi, ambot. Ah, hi! Ah, that's not so deep. Okay. Hindi man dalom. Hindi man dalom, ha? Okay. I think I can do that. Ah, may nami to. Job, ligo na. Take a dip. This section is where the current is so strong. So the strong current is called sulog. So that one, watch out. I was there and it wasn't very pleasant. I felt like the water can just carry me anytime. While over there, that's linaw or still waters. That's Pasit over there. You can see. There is Pasit with her grandson Adore. So they choose to stay on shallower waters. Actually, this part is also shallow, but just very sulog. So, look at mine, leg. Ligo-ligo sa suba. So, I've never done this before, maybe. Or I did, but not that very often. Alright. Wow. Look at that. Now it's sunny. The sun is out. And we're out here in the river. Yay! Kasulog. The current is so strong. Like, dumadala ko. Like, the current can wash me out there into the linaw. Look at that. Linaw. Sadya, no? Sadya sila. And there's a waterfall right behind me. Another waterfall. Amo ni ang... Ha? Amo ng tunay nga busay? Padulhog. So, going downstream. Oh my goodness. Padulhog. Downstream. Ano na yan, Nicole? Ano na? Ha? Hampangan? Ah, gahimo ka? Gautan-utan? Ah, galuto-luto ka utan. Okay, she's playing house, playing cooking, and as if she's cooking vegetables. Galuto-utan? Galugay-lugay. So she's stirring her vegetable, her play vegetable. That's not a real vegetable. Look at them. Alright. Wow. Tapos namin pag ito, no? Oh, dasam diri. This is the linaw portion where the water is shallow and relatively safe, especially for kids. So this is where Pasit prefers to take her bath. And we're also gathering flat stones, river stones, as a hobby. Alright, this is John of Art here at Bago River in Maao. Join us once again in our next video. Bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching.